गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम नाउन्स संज्ञा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। नाउन क्या होता है, कोई बताएगा? हाँ, बिल्कुल सही। नाउन वो शब्द होते हैं जो किसी व्यक्ति, पर्सन, स्थान, प्लेस, वस्तु, थिंग या भावना, फीलिंग का नाम बताते हैं। लुक एट दीज वर्ड्स। You see words like chair, pen, mountain, doll, country, sugar, book, horse, Sita, and army. All the words are written above in the box are naming words, and naming words are termed as nouns. The above words are the names of any person or thing or place. Thus, the name of any person, place, thing is called as noun. ये सभी शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, जगह या चीज के नाम हैं। तो नाउन क्या है? किसी भी व्यक्ति, जगह या चीज के नाम को नाउन कहते हैं। नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द टू ग्रुप्स गिवन बिलो, ग्रुप ए एंड ग्रुप बी। इन ग्रुप ए वी हैव वर्ड्स लाइक हाउस, ट्री, पेन, मैन, विनीता, मार्केट। वी कैन काउंट ऑल दीज थिंग्स। For example, we can say 1 house, 2 trees. In Group B, we have words like sugar, gold, milk, sweetness, beauty. Can we count these? No, we can't. We can't say 1 sugar or 2 golds. This shows that we can divide nouns into 2 main types, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. इसे पता चलता है कि हम नाउन्स को 2 मुख्य प्रकार में बांट सकते हैं, काउंटेबल नाउन्स और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स। एक काउंटेबल नाउन्स, गिने जाने योग्य संज्ञा। डेफिनेशन: द थिंग्स, प्लेसेस एंड पर्सन्स विच कैन बी काउंटेड आर कॉल्ड काउंटेबल नाउन्स। वे चीजें, स्थान और व्यक्ति जिन्हें गिना जा सकता है, काउंटेबल नाउन्स कहलाते हैं। 1. कॉमन नाउन, जातिवाचक संज्ञा। Examples: boy, animal, student, house, book. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, thing of the same class or kind. जो नाम किसी वर्ग या समूह के सभी व्यक्तियों, वस्तुओं के लिए समान हो, उसे कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं। 2. प्रॉपर नाउन, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा। Examples: कृष्ण, दिल्ली, कोलकाता, डॉक्टर हेडगेवर, द गंगा। The name of a particular person or thing is called proper noun. किसी विशेष व्यक्ति या वस्तु का नाम प्रॉपर नाउन कहलाता है। 3. कलेक्टिव नाउन, समूहवाचक संज्ञा। Examples: क्लास, आर्मी, मार्केट, मीटिंग। The name of a number of persons or things taken together is called collective noun. व्यक्तियों या वस्तुओं के समूह का नाम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहलाता है। Thus, there are 3 kinds of countable nouns. 1. Common noun. 2. Proper noun. 3. Collective noun. 2 uncountable nouns, न गिने जाने योग्य संज्ञा। Definition: The things, places and persons which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. वे चीजें, स्थान और व्यक्ति जिन्हें गिना नहीं जा सकता, वे अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स कहलाते हैं। 1. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, भाववाचक संज्ञा। Examples: cruelty, kindness, sweetness, childhood. A word which shows the state, condition and circumstance of a person, thing is called abstract noun. जो शब्द किसी की अवस्था, गुण या भाव को दिखाए, उसे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कहते हैं। 2. मटेरियल नाउन, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा। Examples: water, iron, gold, sugar, rice. A thing which cannot be counted but can be weighed is called material noun. वह वस्तु जिसे गिना नहीं जा सकता पर तौला जा सकता है, उसे मटेरियल नाउन कहते हैं। Thus, there are 2 kinds of uncountable nouns. 1. Abstract noun. 2. Material noun. So, there are 5 kinds of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Now, let's look at exercise. A. We need to classify the given words into the correct noun categories. The words are elephant, woman, water, sweetness, Mahatma Gandhi, army, the Himalaya, oil, boyhood, girl, Chetak, class, gold, bunch, wheat. Common noun elephant, woman, girl. These are general names. Proper noun Mahatma Gandhi, the Himalaya, Chetak. These are specific names. Collective noun army, class, bunch. These are groups. Abstract noun sweetness, boyhood. These are feelings or states. Material noun water, oil, gold, wheat. These can be weighed, not counted. Exercise B. We need to pick out the nouns from the given list of words. Remember, nouns are naming words. The nouns are desk, newspaper, market, doctor. The other words like about, ugly, from, your, height, drink, sit, and loudly are not nouns. Moving on to exercise C, we'll categorize the words as either countable noun or uncountable noun. Countable nouns, column C friend, son, bag, nurse, town, building, class, tiger, elephant, cattle, teacher, Madhav. Uncountable nouns, column U way, milk, water, talk, early, brown, childhood, sweetness. For exercise D, you need to write 5 words for each type of noun. Here are some examples you can write. Common noun book, clock, boy, elephant, monkey. Proper noun Patna, Delhi, India, Himalaya, Ganga. Collective noun army, class, bunch, meeting, crowd. Abstract noun happiness, childhood, boyhood, kindness, love. Material noun iron, milk, chalk, water, rice. Finally, exercise E, we need to fill in the blanks with the correct word from the options. Teacher. The postman delivers letters. The postman brings letters, not speeches. The teacher teaches in the class. The teacher teaches students in a classroom, not a home. The cobbler is mending shoes. A cobbler fixes shoes, not shirts. The doctor is in the hospital. A doctor works in a hospital, not a market. The coolie is carrying luggage. A coolie carries luggage, not a train. Main points. Let's quickly review the main points. We've learned that there are roughly 2 kinds of nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. There are 3 types of countable nouns, common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. And there are 2 types of uncountable nouns, abstract noun and material noun. अगर यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें।